A JSP tag handler is a small Java program that has its output inserted into a Java JSP page. As you know, a JSP program is translated into a Java class. When this Java class executes, it calls a tag handler to get the information to be stored in the text of the produced page. Here's an example of a tag handler. This program is the tag handler itself. You can tell by the directory that it's in that this is in the package named com.vtc. It extends the tag support class and implements just one method. The doStartTag method outputs text to the web page. The getOut method of the page context object returns the stream object that's used to output text to the page. The page context object is inherited from the superclass. The page context object contains methods that make it possible to find out anything that you need to know about the JSP page. This method throws a JSP exception if anything goes wrong. Notice that this exception includes a short explanation and a copy of the exception that caused this one to be thrown. The constant value skip body is returned. This is a requirement of the interface. There must also be a tag library descriptor. This is a very small library. It just has the one tag. So this is version 1.0 of the library itself. And it's being built based on the definition of version 1.1 of JSP. The short name of the library is Howdy Tag, and the whole library is a simple demonstration tag. The name of this tag is Howdy, and its package name is com.vtc.howdy. This tag is used in a simple JSP page. First, up here at the top, the taglib directive element is used to specify the TLD, the tag library descriptor file. Notice that it's specified here as being in the web.inf directory, which is where it will be put when the war file is constructed. The prefix for all tags in this library is defined as HO. You could use tags from more than one library, and you could assign each one its own prefix this way. Here is how the tag itself is used. Things really get simple at this point. You just need to specify the tag, which specifies the tag library to be used and the name of the tag handler, and that's all. The method will be called and the output from it will go into the page. You've already seen most of the things in the build file, but you might want to take a look at the configuration of the war file. This is the definition and creation of a directory used to hold the class file of the compiled tag. And here are the things that go into the war file. The file is named holib.war. The classes of the tag library go into the same directory as the classes of the servlets, that is, the classes subdirectory of web.inf. The taglib descriptor goes into the web.inf directory itself, and the JSP source goes into the main directory of the war file. There, it's built and deployed. Now when we look at that JSP page, we should also get the output of that tag handler. You can see here that it's been deployed. And here is the JSP file. And there it is. There is a lot more that can be done with tag handlers, and I'll be showing you that in the next few lessons. Oh, one thing I need to mention. This tag library has been deployed as class files in the classes directory. You could also deploy these class files in a jar file, as shown earlier. Either way will work.